Hi guys, I'm Jesse, welcome to Farol TV, and today we're looking at a John Deere 855 Gator. Right, let's get to it. As you can see, it comes with LED lights as standard. You can have a winch fitted in the front bumper. Comes with yellow and silver alloy wheels. It's fully road legal. It has a manual tipping back, which we'll demonstrate in a minute. The rear window opens along with the front for them sunny days. It has an 854cc 3-cylinder engine. This particular Gator is on our winter special at the minute for £13,750 plus VAT. We have 8 of them in stock. There we go, with the pull of a handle and the back tips up. There is the handle you pull. Literally just pull it and it tips straight up. There is your 3-cylinder 854cc engine. There's the cockpit. They come with 4-wheel drive as standard. Easy to drive. Just your accelerator and your brake. The rear window opens up along with the front. We hope you enjoyed that video, guys, of the John Deere 855 Gator, and remember, subscribe to our channel.